Okay, everyone, so congratulations for making it so far into the lecture. We have developed a lot of things. We have developed a full working application in App Engine, and with all the other things we have learned, so it means registering users, making sure they're logged in, so sessions, we have encrypted passwords, we have encrypted cookies, we have posted content to our data store, we have learned how to save images in a scalable way, and we have learned a little bit about front end and about using Bootstrap. So seriously, guys, congratulations, because that's a lot of work you have done, and it's hopefully a lot of learning you have done. So it's learning that you will be able to implement in the future with your future projects, and hopefully for you that means, being free to do whatever you want to do, and maybe set up your own business. And so hopefully this learning is being very useful to you. So in this last section, we will learn how to build a parser. And we will be parsing this website here. So it's www.food.com. It's one of the larger food recipe websites out there. So essentially what we will be doing is we will be getting the URLs of the recipes on this website and going to them and actually copying the content from them onto our own database. So whenever you are thinking about building a parser, you first have to, go to the site and figure out what your strategy is going to be of how you're going to parse this website. So for example, what Google does is it goes to the homepage of any given site, and then it sees all these links. Okay, so it sees all these links, and one by one, it goes ahead and goes into all of these links and explores what's in these links. Now, if we were to use the same approach, first of all, the development would take a bit more because it's much more complex to do that. But second of all, our parsing would be pretty inefficient because we would find a lot of sites or a lot of pages that are not relevant to us. So for example, if we go to main dish recipes. So this is basically a site where it's a navigational site and basically groups recipes by main dish. Okay. So really, we don't want to parse these because what we want to parse are end recipes, so recipes themselves, okay? So here I can click onto a recipe, and I'm taking to the actual recipe, okay? So this is what we want to parse. We want to parse these pages which are actual recipes. So here we can see we have the title of the recipe, we have the prep time and the cook time. So this should sound familiar to you. We have ingredients, we have directions, etc., etc. And obviously we have the photo, which is going to be very important for us. So the point here is we need to define a strategy of how to parse these websites or these recipe pages. So we're not going to go one by one into each link like Google does. So we need another way.